Is your 2017-2023 GMC Acadia key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the DIY process. Avoid rising service costs where dealerships can charge $50 to $100 for the same process. Your GMC Acadia key fob from models 2017 through 2023 requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is the CR2032 battery, a standard lithium coin cell. It's a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery that powers the remote entry, start, and panic functions. Using the correct battery type is crucial for proper function. CR2032 batteries are widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for under $5. Steer clear of CR2025 batteries, as this can cause the key fob to malfunction. You'll only need a few simple tools for replacing your Acadia key fob battery. A small flathead screwdriver works well for prying open the fob. For a safer option, use a dedicated key fob opener tool, preferably plastic to avoid scratches. Work in a static-free environment to prevent damage to the electronics. These tools are readily available online for around $5 to $10. Begin by locating the small indentation or seam on the back of your Acadia key fob. This is where the two halves connect and can be separated. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or key fob tool into the seam. Apply gentle pressure to separate the two halves of the fob, being careful not to scratch the surface. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive side is typically up and often marked inside the fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct orientation, ensuring the positive side faces up as marked. Reassemble the key fob by pressing the two halves back together until they click shut. Make sure it's firmly closed to ensure proper function. After reassembling the key fob, immediately test all functions: remote lock and unlock, remote start, and the panic button. If any function doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is properly seated in the fob. Also consider that aftermarket fobs may fail prematurely if not sourced from reputable brands like AC Delco. Always double-check the battery orientation before reassembling the key fob. The positive side, marked with a plus symbol, should face up toward the buttons. Avoid using excessive force when prying open the fob to prevent damage. Use gentle pressure along the seam and avoid metal tools that could scratch or crack the case. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries to reduce waste. They offer the same 3-volt power as disposable ones, but can be reused many times, helping the environment. Batteries should be replaced every 2 to 3 years to prevent unexpected lockouts. Regular maintenance ensures your key fob functions reliably without sudden failures. When choosing a replacement battery for your Acadia key fob, you'll encounter OEM and aftermarket options. Aftermarket batteries are generally acceptable for basic use, but for optimal performance, consider reputable brands like Duracell or the original equipment manufacturer battery. The infographic shows the differences between OEM and aftermarket batteries. OEM batteries are designed specifically for GMC vehicles, while aftermarket options vary in quality. For longer battery life and reliability, choose reputable brands. Duracell offers consistent quality and is widely recommended by mechanics. Cheap knockoff batteries often fail prematurely, leading to frequent replacements and potential vehicle access issues. Using OEM batteries helps avoid contact problems and ensures the best fit for your key fob's electrical connections. While the 2017-2023 Acadia uses replaceable batteries, newer vehicles are trending towards rechargeable key fobs and app-based key sharing. Keep an eye out for these features in future GMC models. Some experts predict a shift of 20 to 30% adoption of rechargeable options by 2030. You can also use GMC's My GMC app,